Natural remedies for chest congestion. Onion and honey for chest congestion. Onion has also been used since time immemorial in curing several ailments and chest congestion. Turn it out to be one of the many elements that it works wonder on. The trick is done by its anti-inflammatory properties added with the miracles of a honey. How to use honey and onion. Throw in a few slices of onion in a boil, cover it up with a layer of honey. Leave it as it overnight. The following morning take the onion and eat it up. Do this 4 times a day. Also spoon up the honey throughout the day. You can also eat a slice of a plain onion for relief, chest congestion. Yes, they are all little bit but can help relieve your heaviness in no time at all.